Hello everyone, ABAQUS Tutorial Lesson 30. Transition mesh a half is very easy to study. Zero basics can also follow me. Let's begin. Open software. Directory. Today is June 7. Create number 1 file. Okay. I will show you the method. This edge, this edge. Two nodes. This. Only one node. Okay. Structure. Okay, I will show you. 2D shell. Continue. Okay. Partition face. One, two. Okay. Assembly. Mesh. Structured. 4. Yes, 4. Okay, 4. This surface. By number 2, do not allow the number of elements to change. Okay. This surface. Only one. Apply. Yes. Okay. 2, 1. Okay. Create mesh. Okay. Delete. Assembly part 1 mesh 1. Okay, copy 1. Copy. Scale half. Okay. Continue. Assembly. Auto offset from other instances. Okay. Copy 1. Oh. Okay. Translate this point. Okay. Merge both. Retain O 0.1. Remove this duplicate. Yes, please. Continue. Did you see that? Merge. Okay. Yes. Mesh element. Oh no. Part 2. Mesh. Create solid layer. No, create Charlie. No. Oh, is 2D. Edit 3D. Okay. 3D. 3D method. Oh. Delete all. Delete all. Close this software. Okay, continue. Mesh. Alright. Oh, no. This. Create solid layer. Angle. Done. Total thickness 20. Layer 20. Don't forget. Delete base shell element. Don't forget it. Okay. Okay, no problem. You can repeat the operation. Very fine mesh you will got. Copy 0.5 this direction. You can repeat this operation. Okay. I think you have followed me. Okay. I hope you're happy. See you tomorrow. This is my WhatsApp, my WeChat, my Chinese website is here. This is my Chinese website. Okay. Lot of videos. You can change the night website into English. Okay, bye bye. See you tomorrow.